guys, we got a 2011 Ford Mustang V6. It was wrecked, so he's starting to fix it back up. So overlook all the damage, okay guys? He's working on it little by little. But he needed to sound good, which I don't blame him. I'm the same way. Factory converter there, factory converter there. Then got baby resonators there and there. Then an X pipe there, all factory. And then what we put on it is 2 LCGPs. One there and one there. There's the LCGPs, there's the tips. Came out really nice, really clean. And the old mufflers that were on it, they're right here, the factory mufflers we took off. It was really too quiet. We got to make it sound better for him. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Because the stories we can post a lot more. Perfect. Yeah. Again. That sounds really nice. For a V6, that's not bad at all. 109. Again? Like I said, he's still fixing it back up. So ignore all that. We'll show you the better side on this side. LCGPs. It's got a nice pop to it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Mustang. LCGPs.